Setting startup pages in Google Chrome is the quickest way to get to web pages you visit most often. Setting startup pages essentially preloads Chrome with specific websites every time it is launched. To set up your start pages, do the following. Keep in mind, there is usually more than one way to do things in the GSuite universe. With that said, the process described here is likely the fastest. To begin, open up however many pages you'd like Chrome to load on startup. We'll keep each page in a separate tab. I have my Mail, Calendar, and a Google Classroom page set. Next, click on the Chrome dot menu in the upper right-hand side of the Chrome window. You could also use the keyboard shortcut Command, comma. Once in Settings, click On Startup. Then, choose the Open a specific page or set of pages option. To use the pages you currently are using, choose the Use Current Pages option. Remove any pages you don't want to load. And that's it. Now, when we launch Chrome, we'll see all the pages we want. Let's try it out. Thanks for watching today's tip. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe.